The benefits of rice water for the face are one of the beauty secrets of women in Asia. For centuries, Asian women have used rice water to beautify their faces and hair. The variety of benefits of rice water for the face means that many beauty products in circulation today contain rice water. The main benefit of rice water for face is help to prevent pigmentation or darkening of skin color, improve skin texture, and fade black spots. Following is how to prepare rice water ice before applying it on the skin.
First, rinse half a cup of rice with about a glass of water to remove any dirt or impurities. Then, place the rice in a bowl and cover with a glass of water. Let the rice soak for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Swirl it around until the water turns cloudy. After that, pour the mixture in a nice cube tray, filling each section properly, and freeze it for 5 to 6 hours. Once frozen completely, remove the tray, and the cubes are ready to use. Take an ice cube and gently rub it on your skin. You will instantly feel the cooling effect. Use 2 or 3 ice cubes daily. With regular use, you will notice your skin feeling soft, tight, and radiant. Use every day as part of your skin care routine. It helps to minimize the appearance of pores and tighten skin. It promotes cell growth, stimulates blood flow, and helps keep your skin smooth and bright. It also helps heal acne and cools the redness of an outbreak. It acts as an astringent on the skin. You can also add few drops of honey to this water and prepare ice cubes. This will bring shine and natural glow on your face. Rice contains many vitamins and minerals that helps revitalize skin and helps keep your skin smooth and bright. It is useful for cooling inflammations and burnt skin. It will help your skin recover fast and prevent further damage. If you want porcelain and clear skin, wash your face with rice water every day. Rice water can be used on all skin types such as dry, oily or normal skin. It is chemical-free and is fresh. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.